I've just got a little quick part to fit on the MT. It consists of this little lid here on the front brake reservoir, and it's just solely down to the back end here, or the front of it I suppose. It's just all flaked and looks pretty crap. So I've got this little new one here that I got on AliExpress, and that's just going to go right there. That was fairly straightforward. Two screws, then there's like a big rubber seal on the inside which didn't even come off, so I just left that put, took that off and plopped that on the top. Now I've got these blank screws to go in here and here, where the old antenna type mirrors were before the bar ends were on. So I'm going to just plug them up as well. That's the plug in that side, and one on that side. Don't forget they're left and right handed threads, the same as your mirrors that you took off, unlike me that forgot when I swapped mine out weeks ago and just totally forgot, so I was left scratching my head for a while. I've also got a new tank pad for this to go on, although it looks as if it'll sit too high. I might be able to use the top part of it. Yeah, that'll look alright. I've got two of these, in fact I've got four of these, like gel raised sort of badges. So I don't know where they're going to go. I can't find anything to replace this, because I just hate that it's got that bit of red on it, as stupid as that sounds. So still loving my MT. She's a beaut, and she doesn't look lonely anymore because she's got the R125 pop next to her. Although there's the CX500 hiding under there. Well, take it easy folks, cheers for watching, peace out.